Matan answer, and then we have another question here. So
keep on ranting at false accusations. That's fine.
You keep on changing the subject.
That's you're not even on one subject. But I just want to say a few things. You need to understand this. First of all, I want to add on what Ched said about these schools, especially in Sajaiya. Sajaiya has a kibbutz about 1.5 miles from it, called Nachal Oz, where a young boy, a 4-year-old child, was killed by a rocket that was shot specifically from the school in Sajaiya that you were talking about. Okay? And Israel didn't shoot at that school until it made sure that people leave it. Unfortunately, there was a mistake. Okay? And it does happen that are mistakes. Now, I don't know you. I don't know if you served in the American Army. I don't know what you teach here, but war isn't a laboratory, and I want to explain this to everyone. War isn't it's not. It doesn't happen in a surgeon's office in a hospital. Okay, war is hell. It's the worst possible thing you can imagine. People die. People get hurt. Civilians suffer. Psychological effects are far beyond the war itself. And yes, there are mistakes in war. Things happen. And you think I'm happy to see that Palestinians get hurt in schools? I'm almost, it's hard for me to answer you. I'm that offended by the fact that you think that I want to hurt people on the other side just because they hate me. That's completely not true. Completely not true. And yes, sometimes I'm not. You probably got those facts on the internet. They might be true, they might not be true. The fact is that you have to understand that once you shoot at my family, once you shoot at my uncle, and you start shooting, and you shoot from schools, and you shoot from populated areas, and use human shields, the Israeli Defense Force is going to defend the Israeli citizens. And I wish this never happened. I wish we never had to do this. But as long as we look only at the Israelis and refuse to look at the Palestinian side and to blame the Palestinian side, you'll just encourage more violence by Hamas. And this is exactly what you're doing right now. And I'm sorry that this is what you're doing. I'm really offended by it, and I hope it doesn't happen anymore, but you're going to probably keep on just blaming Israel and not looking at the other side at all. And I feel sorry that this is what you do. And I really, really, really hope that this doesn't happen anymore.